Über 13 Jahre hat das Schicksal den heutigen Machthabern zu ihrer Erprobung und Bewährung zugemessen. Das schärfste Urteil sprechen sie sich aber, indem sie durch die Art ihrer heutigen Propaganda das Versagen ihrer Leistungen selbst bekennen. Sie wollten einst Deutschland für die Zukunft besser regieren als in der Vergangenheit und können als Ergebnis ihrer Regierungskunst in Wirklichkeit nur feststellen, dass Deutschland und das deutsche Volk noch immer leben. Sie haben in den Novembertagen 18 feierlich versprochen, unser Volk und insbesondere den deutschen Arbeitern einer besseren wirtschaftlichen Zukunft entgegenzuführen. Sie können heute, nachdem sie nahezu 14 Jahre Zeit zur Erfüllung ihres Versprechens hatten, nicht einen einzigen deutschen Berufsstand als Zeugen für die Güte. Der deutsche Bauer verelendet, der Mittelstand ruiniert, die sozialen Hoffnungen vieler Millionen Menschen vernichtet, ein Drittel aller im Erwerbsleben
Sir, there's a message for you, sir.
Sorry, but I'm accepting the Goethe Medallion for Science. It's going to kill the rest of my day. So, you've had a chance to play golf? Annalise is one of our premier golfers. What's your handicap, 2?
7.
Annalise gets out there and has 5 strokes on the rest of us. And more confidence than I've ever seen in anyone. It's unnatural.
What did you want to see me about? I don't like being back here.
Now, I know you've understood the confidential nature of your work here, Annalise.
Entirely.
Yes, I know you do. I came up through negotiations. One of the reasons I was a great General Oberst is that I never made a promise I couldn't keep. I knew that if I ever broke my oath, I would suffer the consequence.
Is that a threat?
We've worked together for, what, 3 years? Now, the work we did here is confidential, not for public knowledge, any more than one's family matters.
You're threatening my family now, too.
Don't get paranoid, Annalise. About the nature of our research, we may have had our differences.
Research? You declare as a badge of honor you don't even know what makes water boil.
That's why we hire scientists.
Okay, I was paid well for my work. I have no intention of violating my confidentiality agreement and disclosing that which I said I wouldn't.
I appreciate that, Annalise. But on reflection, we've decided to expand our zone of comfort with you. So we've drafted an agreement, which broadly defines and expands what is deemed confidential. No one will be able to say, well, I didn't know that was a secret. We're very serious about protecting our interests. We'd like you to sign it.
And if I don't?
After you've examined the document, you will see that it's in your own best interests, and you will sign it.
So what you're saying is, it isn't enough that you fire me for no good reason. Now you're questioning my integrity. On top of the humiliation of being fired, you're threatening my family. It never crossed my mind not to honor my contract. But I will tell you, and the party too, screw me? Well, screw you!